Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever envisioned a sleek, modern outdoor oasis right in your own backyard? Well, today, we're making that vision a reality. I'm a professional builder, and in this series, I'll guide you step by step through constructing a beautiful, contemporary deck completely from scratch. We're not just building a deck, we're creating an extension of your home, focusing on clean lines, durable materials, and precision craftsmanship. Get ready for an ultra-realistic, cinematic journey into the world of modern deck construction. Before we even touch a shovel, meticulous planning is key for any successful deck project, especially when aiming for that modern aesthetic. This phase involves understanding your space, envisioning the layout, and critically, consulting your local building codes. Building codes are a set of rules and regulations that specify the minimum standards for constructed objects. They ensure safety, structural integrity, and proper construction practices. Ignoring them can lead to costly rework or, worse, safety hazards. We'll sketch out our design, considering sun exposure, traffic flow, and how the deck will integrate seamlessly with your home's existing architecture. With our plans approved, it's time to prepare the canvas for our masterpiece, the backyard site. Proper site preparation is paramount for a long-lasting and stable deck. This involves clearing any existing vegetation, debris, or old structures from the designated area. Once cleared, we'll mark out the deck's perimeter precisely according to our plans. Then comes leveling the ground, which means making the surface uniformly flat and horizontal. This prevents future settling issues and ensures your deck sits perfectly. We'll use a transit level to achieve pinpoint accuracy, ensuring every measurement sets us up for success. Now that our site is prepped, the next crucial step is laying out the footings. Footings are the concrete bases that support the entire weight of your deck, transferring it safely to the ground. Accuracy here is non-negotiable. We'll transfer our deck plan directly onto the ground using string lines and batter boards. Batter boards are temporary structures made from stakes and horizontal boards, set up just outside the deck's perimeter. They allow us to stretch string lines to mark the exact locations of our footings and maintain square corners and precise dimensions. This ensures every post aligns perfectly with our structural plan. With our footing locations marked, it's time to dig. The depth of these holes is critical, as they must extend below the frost line. The frost line is the maximum depth that the ground freezes during winter. Digging below it prevents the soil from expanding and contracting with freezing and thawing, which can heave your footings and damage your deck. Once the holes are dug to the correct depth and diameter, we'll add some gravel for drainage, then mix and pour the concrete. As the concrete is wet, we'll carefully set post anchors into the center, ensuring they are perfectly plumb and aligned to receive our support posts. Our footings are cured, and now we move on to installing the support posts. For outdoor structures like decks, it's essential to use treated lumber. Treated lumber is wood that has been impregnated with chemical preservatives to protect it from decay, rot, and insect infestation, significantly extending its lifespan in outdoor conditions. We'll cut each post to its exact required height, ensuring they are perfectly level across the top. Once cut, these posts are inserted into the post anchors we set in the concrete, then secured with appropriate hardware. Careful attention to vertical alignment with a level is crucial for a straight and strong deck frame. For decks attached to the house, the ledger board is a critical structural component. The ledger board is a piece of lumber that is securely fastened directly to the house's rim joist, serving as the main connection point for the deck's framing. Its proper installation is vital for the deck's stability and safety. Before attaching, we install flashing, a waterproof material, above and behind the ledger board. This directs water away from the house, preventing rot and moisture damage. We then use heavy-duty lag screws, precisely spaced, to attach the ledger board, ensuring a robust and secure connection to the main dwelling. Next, we construct the support beams, which are the main horizontal structural elements that carry the weight of the deck joists and the deck surface itself. For our modern deck, we're often building multi-ply beams, meaning two or more pieces of lumber are fastened together to create a stronger, thicker beam capable of spanning longer distances and supporting heavier loads. These beams rest atop our support posts. We secure them using specialized post-to-beam connectors and heavy-duty bolts, ensuring an unyielding connection. This framework is what truly gives the deck its strength and ability to withstand decades of use. With our ledger board and beams in place, it's time to install the joists. Joists are the horizontal framing members that run perpendicular to the beams and ledger board. They create the framework that directly supports the decking boards. Correct spacing of the joists is crucial. It depends on your chosen decking material and local codes, but typically ranges from 12 to 16 inches on center. We attach joists to the ledger board using metal joist hangers, which are specially designed brackets providing strong, secure connections. At the beam ends, joists are either butted up against a rim joist or directly connected using hangers, creating a robust substructure. As we connect all the joists, we essentially complete the skeleton of our modern deck. Take a moment to appreciate this stage. The entire structural frame, including the ledger board, beams, and joists, is now fully assembled and inspected. This framework embodies rigidity, strength, and precision. It's the hidden hero that will support countless barbecues, gatherings, and quiet evenings. Every connection, every cut, and every measurement contributes to this robust foundation. This is where professional craftsmanship truly shines, ensuring not just aesthetics but also safety and longevity for the entire structure. It's ready for its skin, the beautiful decking boards. Now for the part that truly defines the look and feel of your modern deck, the decking boards. Gone are the days of limited options. For a contemporary aesthetic, we often choose materials that offer durability, low maintenance, and a sleek finish. Composite decking, for instance, is a popular choice. It's made from a blend of recycled plastic and wood fibers, offering excellent resistance to rot, insects, and fading without the need for frequent staining. Other modern options include PVC decking, which is entirely synthetic, or even certain hardwoods like IPE, known for their incredible density and rich, natural beauty. Your choice here will significantly impact the deck's final appearance and upkeep. With our decking material chosen, it's time to lay the surface that you'll walk on. Installing decking boards requires precision to achieve that clean, modern look. We start at one end, ensuring our first board is perfectly straight and parallel to the house. Crucial for any decking material is proper spacing between boards. This allows for drainage and natural expansion and contraction due to temperature changes. For a truly modern and uncluttered aesthetic, we're using hidden fasteners. Hidden fasteners are clips or systems that attach to the sides of the boards, securing them to the joists without visible screws on the deck surface, creating a smooth, seamless finish. A modern deck often features equally modern and functional stairs. Designing safe and comfortable stairs involves critical calculations of rise and run. The rise is the vertical height of each step, and the run is the horizontal depth of the tread. Building codes typically specify a narrow range for both to ensure uniformity and prevent tripping hazards. For example, a common rule is that the sum of two rises and one run should fall within a specific range, usually around 24 to 25 inches, ensuring comfortable ascent and descent. This attention to detail guarantees our stairs aren't just aesthetically pleasing, but also perfectly safe and ergonomic. With our rise and run calculated, it's time to cut the stair stringers. Stringers are the sawtooth-shaped structural components that support the stair treads. We typically use a framing square and a pencil to meticulously mark out each step's rise and run onto a long piece of treated lumber. Precision is absolutely paramount here. Even a slight inconsistency in your cuts will result in uneven, unsafe steps. Once marked, we carefully cut along these lines using a circular saw. Finally, these finished stringers are securely attached to the deck frame, often using metal connectors and heavy-duty fasteners, ensuring they can support significant weight in traffic. Once our stringers are firmly in place, we can install the stair treads and, optionally, the risers. Treads are the horizontal surfaces you step on. For a modern look, we often choose decking material that matches the main deck for a cohesive design. Risers are the vertical boards between each tread. While traditional decks often have closed risers, an open riser design, where the space between treads is left open, is a popular choice for modern aesthetics, giving a lighter, more airy feel. Each tread is cut to size, ensuring it's level and flush, then securely fastened to the stringers using screws designed for outdoor use. This completes the functional and stylish ascent to our modern deck. No modern deck is complete without a railing system that combines safety with contemporary style. Railings are essential for safety, especially on elevated decks and stairs, and must adhere to strict building codes regarding height and infill spacing. For a modern aesthetic, traditional balusters are often replaced with more minimalist options. Cable railing, featuring thin stainless steel cables strung horizontally, offers unobstructed views and a sleek industrial look. Glass panel railings provide clear sightlines and a sophisticated, architectural feel. Or, you might opt for minimalist metal pickets or even horizontal boards for a clean, linear design. The goal is safety without sacrificing the open, airy feel of modern design. The main construction is complete, but it's the finishing touches that truly elevate a good deck to an exceptional modern outdoor space. This is where you can infuse personality and enhance functionality. Consider integrated LED lighting for ambience and safety after dark, perhaps recessed into the stairs or deck boards. Built-in seating or planter boxes, crafted from matching decking material, create seamless design elements. Finally, a thorough cleanup and a final inspection are crucial. We'll ensure all fasteners are tight, surfaces are smooth, and every detail meets our high standards for safety and aesthetics. These small details make a huge difference in the overall experience. And there you have it. From a blank backyard to a stunning, fully functional modern deck. We've journeyed through planning, ground preparation, precise framing, innovative decking, and the meticulous construction of stairs and railings. This project isn't just about wood and fasteners, it's about creating a beautiful, durable, and code-compliant extension of your living space, a place where memories will be made for years to come. I hope this professional guide has empowered and inspired you to tackle your own outdoor projects with confidence. If you enjoyed this cinematic build, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more expert guides, and let us know in the comments what you want to see next.